Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the biggest data breaches of 21st century. I will be covering the following points. First of all, why the cases of data breaches is increasing day by day. And the second, examples of biggest data breaches in 21st century. So let's get started. As we know, in this century, the data is considered as the fuel. The company or organization which has more data, they can run their business efficiently with maximum profit. This is the reason you might have noticed that everywhere users are asked to provide their data. Either you visit a website or use an application or anything else. But you will be asked to provide your data. Now you might be thinking that there are billions of people in the world. So how this data can be analyzed, can be used? The answer is quite simple. There are different data mining algorithms and machine learning tools which are used to create a virtual model of a user using the available data. Means what a user likes, what kind of website a user prefer to visit, and all these kind of information are gained through the available users data using different data mining and machine learning algorithms. One of the best example of this is whenever you search about a product on any e-commerce website, then you might have noticed that on other websites the advertisement of the same products are shown which you had searched recently. So by now you might have understood why the data is important, how it is utilized for business. All companies and organizations need more and more data to run their business efficiently. So if they can get the data easily, then it will be a lottery for them. That is why nowadays hackers are stealing the data of different organizations and companies and selling those data on dark web. So now let's take an example of some of the biggest data breaches. Recently in April 2021, 500 million LinkedIn users account data was leaked. Leaked data includes username, email addresses, phone number, workplace information and other personal details. All this data is being sold for 2 million. And the cost may increase in the future. Next example is Sina Weibo. In March 2020, around 538 million accounts data leaked, and the data includes the real names, site usernames, gender, location and phone numbers. As the password was not included in the data, so it was being sold on dark web markets at low cost. That is $250 at that time. Next example is Zynga data breach. In September 2019, around 218 million user accounts data was leaked, and it includes email addresses, password, phone numbers, user IDs for Facebook and Zynga. Next example is of Dubsmash data breach. In December 2018, around 162 million user account data leaked, and it includes the email addresses, usernames, password and other personal data such as date of birth. All this data was being sold on Dream Market, which was an online darknet market founded in late 2013. Next example is of NetEase data breach. In October 2015, around 235 million user accounts data leaked, and it includes email addresses and plain text password. All this data was being sold on dark web. Now it's time to take an example of the biggest data breach in history, that is Yahoo data breach. In 2013 and 14, around 3 billion users account data was leaked. It includes user real name, email addresses, date of birth, telephone number, passwords, security questions and answers. Due to this, company faced loss of $350 million. Next example is of MySpace data breach. In 2013, around 360 million user accounts data was leaked, and it was being sold on dark web for around $3,000 at that time. Now the last example is of Heartland payment system. In this case, 134 million credit card got exposed, and the attackers exploited a known vulnerability to perform a SQL injection attack. So that's it in this video. If you think that the video was quite informative, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.